Hey babies, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be bringing another quick weave video and we're just going to get right into it. So today I'm starting off with some freshly washed hair. I did go ahead and use my Aussie Moist shampoo and conditioner. I already have my hair section off for what I'm going to be using for the half up, half down. Whatever you feel comfortable, you can use a little bit more hair or a little less, just depends on you. I have a big forehead, so I kind of wanted this to go straight across. Here's my back section. I'm just going to go ahead and kind of separate that off into three different parts. So literally gonna have three chunky braids by the end of this. You'll kind of see what I'm talking about. So this is extremely beginner friendly. If you don't know how to cornrow well, this is a perfect opportunity to kind of practice that. But again, it doesn't have to be perfect. We're literally gonna tuck all of this hair away with a wig cap, and then also the glue and the tracks down. Nothing has to be perfect, so yeah, no big deal. Alright, and as you can see, the braids are really chunky, so it's not anything that you should not be able to handle. Nothing complicated, no intricate like braiding patterns or anything like that. And I'm literally just braiding this all the way down to the end. Now, for the purposes of the video, I wanted you guys to really be able to see what I was using. So I did go ahead and use flesh-colored wig caps, which to me was kind of annoying because I ended up actually liking the style and wearing it for I think like 3 or 4 days. So, which is usual for me. It could totally have lasted way longer than that. I just like to change my hair. But yeah, for the sake of the video, so that you guys can really see what I'm doing, because I am wearing black and all that, I wanted to make sure that you guys got a clear picture of what was going on. So I'm going to use 2 caps just in efforts to protect my hair. If you have not already seen one of my quick weave videos, then you know I'm the queen of 2 caps. And then also I just take like a white eyeliner pencil to go ahead and kind of just carve out where my parting area is. So I think in this particular like clip, I'm not even parting, or I guess drawing the correct parts, but you'll get the picture. You just kind of feel to see where your original part area is, and you can pull the cap back if you do have a little bit of trouble. I even had trouble, but that's okay. The goal is for you to just know, okay, don't go past this line, or if you do, just a little bit so that you don't get glue in your ponytail area. So no biggie. The hair that I'm using is the Body Wave Wiggins hair. I got a 24-inch, 22, a 20, and also an 18-inch. I ended up not using the 18, but this is just kind of what the hair looks like. So extremely shiny. Y'all, this hair literally was soft as, like literally super soft. It wasn't shedding. Obviously, I just pulled it out of the bundle, so I wasn't gonna be able to see much anyway. But just to kind of hop right into this, I am using my 30-second Salon Pro hair glue, and I'm literally just measuring out these tracks. So from ear to ear, I'm not putting it on the nape of my neck where like my leave out is, or it's not even leave out, it's just hair that didn't fit under the cap. I'm making sure to only put it on the cap. Only put it on the cap. So this is just a little fast forward here. I did go ahead and continue to just kind of measure out those tracks and literally put a little glue on it, and then just keep it going. So I'm going to do this all the way up until I get to the top of my head. But if you need some help, guys, please ask someone to help you. Go to a professional if you don't feel comfortable. But like I said, a little glue goes a long way, so it's no need for you to kind of go overboard there. Yeah, and what I'm doing is just slowly building those tracks in. And I'm going to go ahead and kind of take the tracks a little bit, I guess kind of further in than normal the higher up I go, because I kind of want to cover the under, I guess the track below it. So yeah, you'll kind of see what I mean, just to kind of build that up. And either way it goes, the ponytail at the top is going to cover so much of this that it won't even matter. But as you can see, this is how far I've gotten, and the glue is really not seeping that far down into my hair. So yeah, and if you haven't seen already, I'll have a video up to let you know how to remove a quick weave. I get a lot of questions about, is it gonna stay? How long is it gonna stay? Literally, guys, this lasts a month, like no lie. With the glue, you should be fine. I don't sew down my cap or anything like that, as you can see. And literally, it's kind of like a method where, you know, you building those tracks on top of each other, you won't see anything peeking out or anything like that. But I'll be sure to show you how I cut the cap. So that's that. And yeah, with the glue, as much glue as you use, like there's no need for this cap to be coming off or anything. So I get questioned all the time about, do I sew down the cap? I really don't. Like the glue, that's the purpose of the glue. You're literally gluing hair onto a cap, and a little bit of that glue is tacking onto your hair to a certain extent. So I mean, yeah, it's not going anywhere, guys. Once it dries, you're all set. It's only going to come out with water, hot water, and yeah, like oil. So now that I'm all done there, I am just going to cut the cap And as you can see, like literally, the glue is still probably drying, but I went ahead and started cutting the cap anyway, and it didn't come off. Like, and it's not even like a full situation on my head. It's literally just half that cap. Obviously, you could sew it down if you feel comfortable, but it was no biggie here. So just cutting that cap. Now, if I would have used a black wig cap, obviously you wouldn't have been able to see like any of these little parts sticking out here. But like I said, the hair is going to be folded over, so you won't really see this brown cap at all. But if I were you, I'd definitely use a black cap, guys. Alright, so just kind of cut all that excess off there. As you can see, I think I just kind of cut more and more off as I saw fit. But yeah, for the time being, this is what that looks like. I'm just kind of getting all the hair out of the way and brushing it out. So of course it did shed quite a bit. That was just based off of the fact that I was cutting the tracks and kind of gluing. So yeah, no biggie. And this is just my leave out. So I'm taking my Cream of Nature Argan Oil Edge Control, just a standard one in the red container, to kind of put this around my edges. Y'all know this is one of my favorite products. I like the extra hold though usually, but I am going to go ahead and combine that with the Cream of Nature black one. So it's another edge control. It's just in the color black, and what it does is just kind of add shine and luster to your hair, and also obviously it's an edge control, right? But it will kind of fill in any sparse areas. And like I said here, my hair is kind of like a dusty, it's like a deep brown color, but it just looks kind of ashy to me. So this has been helping me kind of get that really bright, not even bright, I don't really know what to call it, just a really nice shine on my dark hair. So I love this product too. I'll make sure to leave these down in the description box in case you guys are interested. But yeah, and as you saw, I just cut off some extra there and just getting this ponytail really, really slick. So the tighter you pull it, you shouldn't have too much trouble with like your waves peeking through if you are natural. But yeah, no biggie. And I'm just using a scrunchie to go ahead and just pull that into a ponytail, really, really tight ponytail. And I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of take the end of the ponytail, or actually the entire, I guess all that hair there, just twist it up because I'm gonna put it into a really small bun. So, or as small as I can get it, y'all. My hair is kind of thick, so these little bitty buns, when I try to do the ponytails, are almost impossible. But there we go. And I'm just going to kind of secure that with like a little hairpin. Or no, actually, rubber band. Sorry, y'all. So it's a rubber band that I use just to hold that down. I'm going to apply the track, and I'm going to secure that with a hairpin. I didn't use the other method of just kind of wrapping it. I did go ahead and secure it with a hairpin, and I'm just literally gonna bring this around. So if you guys are wondering, in the back I did go ahead and use the 22-inch and the 20-inch. And the top of my ponytail, originally I did use the 18-inch. I ended up taking that out to put a 24-inch in because I wanted it to be kind of long. But yeah, just for the purposes of the video, you guys are right now looking at me put in the 18-inch, which I eventually went back, took that out, rewrapped the ponytail to put in the 24-inch. But it's gonna be the same exact method, literally same method. You put it in, and you'll see this little cool little wrapping area, or I guess technique that I'm using to kind of secure the ponytail, just using the end of the hair to wrap it around about a bunch of times and then secure it with a hairpin. So there we go. And there we go. Alright, so here's the hair. So I'm going to take some hair from the back of my ponytail just to kind of spray this and literally use it to wrap around my ponytail to kind of hide if I did have any tracks showing or anything like that, and to also kind of give me that like ninja look. So I'm spraying it with a little bit of hairspray. It's my Frizz Ease hairspray. You can use whatever you like and literally just wrap that around the base. The more hair you wrap, the tighter or more ninja look you'll kind of get. And like I said, I did go back. You'll see that here actually. That was the 18-inch. I did go ahead and just kind of clean up my baby hairs here. I'm using a brush, y'all. I couldn't find my like toothbrush, but yeah, using a little bit of I believe it was a Gotta Be glue gel for my edges and a comb, which is kind of weird. I couldn't even get to my edges the way I really wanted to. But yeah, comb did the justice, and there we go, guys. So you have the basis of a ponytail, but like I said, here's the final look. I did go back and actually take down that original ponytail and put in a 24-inch. So I just rewrapped it. Same here. Use a little bit of hairspray just to make sure that I got that hair slicked down as slick as possible, and took a little Cream of Nature hair oil to just kind of add shine to the ponytail area. So no biggie. Literally did the same thing. It's just I rewrapped it a little tighter, and then also, you know, kind of went back around that ponytail with more hair. So that is it. And then I took my wand curl just to literally go through the ponytail and little bits and pieces of the, I guess the bottom half of the hair, just to create some more even waves. Because although it was body wave hair, y'all know when you get your weave in, it just can kind of look really beauty supply store-ish with the waves that are kind of naturally there. So just went back to kind of correct that. And I believe it's like a 1-inch curling wand also. And same thing, I did this throughout my entire hair, and this was just kind of the final look, guys. This is really, really cute, simple, straight to the point, and would definitely last you, I would say, a strong maybe week and a half with the ponytail situation, but it would never be a big deal to just go back and redo the ponytail. So yeah, I hope you guys really, really enjoyed this. I've definitely been loving these natural hair, quick weave type of videos. Let me know what you guys think down in the description box below. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment those there. Give this video a thumbs up. I love you so much. Stay pretty, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.